The broker with the heart, coming to you live, about to embark on this little tramway here in the picturesque and quaint town of Capitola. As you can see, it says Shadow Brook, Capitola number 9. Look at that view. So, as you can see, we do get around. Today it's Capitola on a special occasion. I'll share more of that a little bit later. But for now,
thank you.
let me let you get in to this interesting ride here on this tram. And we are going down. Oops. Ooh, that was scary. And here we go. Enjoy a little trip down memory lane. And I'll share with you a bit about these trams, because there was a program not too long ago that mentioned the rustic nature of these contraptions that were brought in from Europe, I believe. In any case, if you're ever in Capitola or somewhere around Santa Cruz, this is the place to come. Enjoy. Look me up, The Broker with the Heart, maxmyhouse.com, 650-746-4607. Until next time.
It's beautiful.